Hey, I am Hudson is Numb, and today I went to IKEA. It's not my first time, but it was a magical experience. My friend Eddie joined me and it was awesome. Unfortunately, Eddie passed out after I got my meatballs, so I'm recording this for him. So I'm going to try the meatballs. There's a flag that was on this. Neat. We have 6 meat. I swear to God, it said it's supposed to be 5. Well, incredible. They're quite small. Let's try them out, I guess. Well, initially, I gotta say, I've never been happier in my life. My pants are right full of piss. My pants are right full of shit. Full of everything. I shit 23 times in the IKEA. And I'm okay with that. These meatballs are fucking awesome. And when I say I shit 23 times, I don't mean in the bathroom. My pants. Oh, that's delectable. You went to IKEA, saw some sights. It's magical. I was gonna vlog the experience, but hey, this is good enough. This is what life's all about. Alright, some water. We're currently in Calgary, Alberta. IKEA's right there. Where I'm on the paratransit bus. Because we went to Alberta, had a time. So happy Easter. That was yesterday. It's April 5th now. My God, these meatballs are actually fucking delicious. I actually thought they're gonna be bad, but no, these are great. What is? Okay, there's some sort of red sauce on them. Everybody else is currently at the till, and the line was long, so I have a bit of time to record. Delicious. One meatball left. There's also some fries. Haven't eaten any of those, I don't think. Let's dip this last. Oh, that's what that red sauce is. Cheers. Marvelous. What would I rate IKEA's meatballs out of 10? 486. 487, actually. Now let's try one of these fries. That's just your average unsalted fry. Of course, with salter. Million out of 10. Definitely what brings us all together is those meatballs. Get some of that meat sauce. Meatball sauce. I can't taste that. Marvelous. I believe this is only like $5. Great price. Great meatballs. See ya.